Hello and welcome back to Learn with Me. A previous video where we have talked about arrays, loops, and strings. In today's video, we will be talking about input functions, type checking, type conversion, and their strings. So first of all, let's assign a variable age equals to 10. Okay. Now, what if we want the user to input a variable that we don't know about? For that reason, we have input function. We write age equals to input. You write input. And between parentheses, you write whatever output you want to give so the user understands what they are inputting. Like for example, what is your age? Okay. Now, if you write something, it's saved, but we are not printing it. Let's print it out and let's see what we get. Okay. So when we print our age now, so for example, 10, it's giving 10. It's not giving the first 10, it is giving what the user has inputted. Okay. After that, let's make age type of syntax. Let's make current year equals to, let's say, 2024. Okay. Then we write and print. We put like these, and then we put your birth year. Then we put your birth year is, and after that we will put parentheses. Okay. After that we'll put parentheses, and here we write a syntax which is current year minus the age that the user has inputted. Okay. To know his birth here or her birth here. Let's run this and see what happens. We are getting an error here. Why? It's saying syntax warning, str object is not callable. Why? Because whenever you use the input function gets a string object. And that's why you have to know the types and type conversion. So first of all, let's do type checking. So we print that type with a function type, then you put between parentheses the item you want, age, class string str. It tells you that this is a string and you cannot add a number with the string. So to change that, we have to do type conversion. How do we do type conversion? We write age equals to int, and then we put age. So basically I'm storing the age itself. I'm storing the age in itself, but by changing its data type from string to integer, we are type converting it. Now if you print the same syntax that we have printed, this is the f string I was talking about, where we write your birth year is, and we put curly braces. Here we write the syntax that we want. And now we run it, let's say my age is 22, my birth year is 2002, for example. So this is our topic today, and thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it or done something, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.